Excellency, the distinguished team from Stanbic Africa, Honorable Member of the County Assembly, Jimmy Kenyanya, County Secretary and Head of the Civil Service, CECs present, Chief Officers, Directors, and members from my former profession of teaching. Allow me, Your Excellency, to associate myself with this team from Stanbic Africa. Your Excellency, I listened carefully to our son Joshua Igara, and he persuades me with the level and encouragement of what he has said. The future belongs to those who do. Your Excellency, as you are on your way here, we kept this great team busy and warm until you arrived. They have taught us much. I also look forward to have an impactful engagement. Without much ado, Your Excellency, allow me to request those present to be upstanding as I welcome you to address this great